Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you're new, my name is Moni and today's video is sponsored by Fashom. I filmed this intro 5 times because I can't seem to get it out of my mouth. Like, it's been a while since I filmed, but welcome back guys. So yes, this video is sponsored by Fashom. Now Fashom, I've tried to explain this multiple ways and I can't seem to get it right. But it's a personalized styled box, okay? Not a subscription box, which is really nice. You choose when you want to get a box, which is really nice. So they make you fill out a survey of like the preferences towards fashion. They get to really get to know you. They're like, okay, what do you like? What you don't like? You can actually input too. They'll ask you if there's anyone that you look up to in terms of fashion. If there's any accounts that you like on Instagram. That was really helpful. You can also schedule in a video call with your stylist, just so you can get really personal and see, maybe the more they get to know you, obviously the more options they'll be able to pick for you to see what you like. So this is really cool because you get a preview of the stuff before they send it to you, and you can actually choose what items you want. So I had, I think, a list of 7 and I picked 5 items. You get to pick 5 items. Now, the first time you do the styling session, it is free, but afterwards it's $15. But the majority of this stuff is very affordable, and I think when you decide to keep all the items, you get 30% off. And then when you pick anywhere from 3 to 4, you get 25% off. I have my little cheat sheet right here. Let's see. I want to make sure I get this right. Yeah, so if you buy 3 or 4 items from your box, you receive 25% off. And then when you pick all 5 items, you get 30% off. And another thing that's really nice too, it's when you get your preview, it actually tells you the price of each item too, which was really nice. Let's see, there's always free returns and exchanges. They give you a little baggie, so anything you may not want or things you want a different size, you can just send it back, and it already has the postage on there and everything. Like, it's super easy. Lovely. But I really love their branding too, because the first thing when I opened my box, it said, "Hello, beautiful." I'm like, oh, thank you. It's so nice. Sorry guys. I picked the wrong day to film this because one, it's 90 degrees, the AC is off, and I'm just sweating. Oh, my back hurts so much, but this is the only time I get to film. So yeah, if I forget anything, I'll have it written down here below. Another thing that I thought was really cool about this brand, I think a certain amount of the proceeds actually gets donated to a charity to help dogs. Let me see. Yeah, it's called Second Chance Rescue. And for every box, Fashom sends $1 to 8 dogs and puppies in need. And I was like, yes, please. I love puppies. It's so nice. But yeah, I'll show you guys the things that they sent. So I knew it was coming because I got to pick the items that I wanted. And the first one is, I can't seem to escape skirts in the summer because, one, who wants to wear pants in the summer? It's just no-go. So I did tell them my sizes and everything. So this was sent to me in a size 3X, and it's from the brand Skies Are Blue, and it's this really fun but still not in your face pineapple skirt. I love it. It's so flowy, it's very comfortable, lightweight, and this is great to wear if you're just hanging out with friends, like I'm thinking brunch, or you can even wear it to work. You can wear it with the button up, you can wear it with the blouse. I like this. I don't think I would pick this out on my own, but I'm like, now that I have it, I'm like, oh, I can use this. Is so nice. It's nice to add like a little bit of color to your wardrobe as well if you're not used to it. So I'll have clips of me trying on the items, and guys, I've heard you. I will get my hair out of the way. I will show you the front, the back, everything. So I got this. I don't remember. Actually, it might be in here. Hold on. If I can get it out. Ah, it's in here. Yay. It gives you the invoice of your items and how much they were. So this originally is $52. Now, because I kept all my items, I received 30% off everything. The next item I received, this is actually perfect because it's lightweight and white, and it's perfect for summer, so I'm not dying. It's this really cute white with a very unique neckline, which I have like a few shirts of this, and I love it because it's like, revealing a little bit, but it's still like censored and like restricted, which is really nice. Little crisscross here on the neckline, and then it has these really cute, see, little flowy sleeves. I love it. So cute. With these tops, I'm thinking this would look really nice tucked in that skirt, because it's white and white. It'll blend really nicely. So this was sent to me from Gilly, and is there a size on this? I'm assuming it's a 2X, but it's a Gilly, but I like it. And this was originally, let's see, 30 bucks, which is pretty standard. This is how much I would pay in a lot of the stores that I shop at. The next one, oh, this one I'm really, really excited for because it's like perfect for fall. It's so up my alley, and I can wear it to work, which I love. So it's black is slimming honey, and white polka dots. And I really love how this shirt is constructed, and I'll tell you why. So you see, very simple polka dot, but what comes in handy is the sleeves. So there's actually a little scrunch here where the, not elbow, shoulder, it cuts to the arm, and it makes it like a very, like, how do you say it? Like a little poof without being so puffy, you know? Like it helps with the structure. And then it's tied off here, so you can make it like super short or keep it long. I love this, especially, they actually also gave me a recommendation. Yeah, that's right. To wear this shirt with the pineapple skirt. And I was like, really? And they're like, yeah, play up with like different designs and things. I'm like, I've never thought about that. So I love the little tip. But I love this with another item they sent me, and I'll show you in a second. But this is also from Gilly's, the same brand that the white top is from. And this is a 3X. There we go. But I really like it because I can wear this with a pencil skirt. I can wear this with dress pants. I can wear this with jeans. It's very versatile. I can wear it anywhere, work, date, friends, out and about. Yes. So this was originally, I have my own voice, 41 bucks, which is, I think, very, very standard. Something that's new for me, because I think I only have like one. It's a kimono. And this is really pretty. My mom actually saw it. She's like, can I have it? I was like, it's mine. No. Can't have it. It's mine. A kimono. So I love this because it's like air. It's so lightweight. It's cute. But still, like, it has a pattern, but it's still like not in your face, where it's so easy to throw up on top of like a tank, a spaghetti, even the dress, especially at work, because you know how they be blasting ACs and like it's real cold real fast. And it's just nice. Like if you were to wear like a simple white tank and blue jeans, add this on top, you've added a little spice to your outfit. That's why I like it. So cute. It's so soft and shiny. It has this beautiful detail of flowers and a little bit of gold glitter. And this is from Chris and Carol, and it's in size 2X. And this originally was $35. Again, very standard. I love. And then last bit are these amazing jeans. I love the quality. I love the wash. And it's high-waisted and it's a skinny. Oh, 1 second. Pizza's here. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I ordered pizza and that was lightning fast, honestly. Like I was saying, I love that they're high-waisted. I love the wash. I actually really like the fit. And these are actually a size too big, and I could have exchanged them, but this is what I'm thinking, right? For the last 2 years, I've been buying a pair of like mom jeans, or like flattering kind of boyfriend cut fitting, like not tight and not overly baggy, just like nice. I don't know. But I actually love this brand, Nicole Miller. Studio Skinny High Rise, and these were a size 22. I need a size 20, but I like that they're very like cool and edgy. It's like the perfect length for me too, which is rare, okay? Because usually like a short is too short and a regular is too long, but this is like a perfect, and I can cuff them and I can wear them with Converse and like a baggy sweater. I'm so excited for fall, guys. So excited. So this originally was $55, which is very good for a good quality jean. I mean a jean, not like a jegging. I mean jean, beautiful fit, gorgeous. I love it. So I'm so excited to wear this and that black polka dot shirt. I'm so excited with some cute little like black combat boot or like a cute booty. Oh, I'm so excited. That's it. Can you believe that? I'm like sweating, it's hot. But thanks again to Fashom for sponsoring this video. You know, with all the prices and everything and keeping all the items, receiving that 30% off, for all these things I got it for $150. I think it's really great because they're really great brands. And excuse me, one thing I really love about the brand itself, Fashom, they do all sizes. You do petite, maternity, anything, they'll do it, no problem, which is I love, because I'm always concerned, like, okay, I always see these things for these companies, but I'm like, are they gonna have my size? Or yeah, like, it's just not comfortable. But I think they took my direction very well. This is very like up my alley. I'm happy. So if you guys want to know any more information, I have links down below. I'll have the sizes of the items, the brands that they're from down below as well. And yeah, thank you guys. It's nice to see you. It's been a while. Trust me, I'm back. I took a month off, went to California, but now I'm back and I'm excited to wear all my new clothes. So until next time, guys, I love ya. Bye.